Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now yes, this is not a gaming video, but this is gaming related content, which I am very happy to be producing and filming and showcasing for you guys. Now I got myself a 3D printer back in April and we're August 1st, the time of this audio recording. And I've been having a ton of fun with the printer. I've made all kinds of characters, I've made all kinds of widgets for people. It's been a whole lot of fun, but I kind of thought to myself, I want to do a kind of video project that I can keep going for a while and keep producing fresh content. And I finally decided on 3D printing and painting as many Pokemon in Pokedex order as I possibly could. So, with that being said, welcome to the very first episode of 3D Printing and Painting, where we print and paint Bulbasaur. And the really fun, I've been having a lot of fun with the painting too. The actual finished product you can see at the end of the video, but I encourage you to watch the painting process because it was therapeutic for me and it might be therapeutic for you. Now, the fun part about these videos is we're gonna have facts as well, because it's just, if it was just me and Pokemon music in the background, come on, that would be a little bit boring. But I want to get started with some facts about Bulbasaur that I absolutely love. So, first of all, Bulbasaur in the entire animated series is the third most seen Pokemon, right behind Meowth and Pikachu, which makes sense given that they are such huge characters in the series. The other cool thing about Bulbasaur is that it's mostly a male species, with about 87.5% of all captures being male, while the rest being female. That's really high in the male factor, and I have no idea. Maybe something to do with the bulb, I have no idea. But in the actual anime, Ash's Bulbasaur was never actually chosen what his gender is. In 2016, an Australian restaurant called Down and Under created a range of Pokemon-themed burgers, each with their own twist, including one of an homage to Bulbasaur. This item had green buns and even facial features. I don't know about you, but I don't really want to be eating a Pokemon. I want to be eating a burger, man. I don't. That would be super stressful. Did you guys know that the island of Neo in Oceania released a coin with Bulbasaur as on the Neo coat of arms on either side? That's dedication, man. Ash's Bulbasaur in the animated series has actually been with him for quite some time, but the really cool thing is Bulbasaur went to Professor Oak later on in the series. The really cool thing about this Bulbasaur though is the fact that he has been like the gatekeeper and the Pokemon organizer for all of Ash's captures that go to Professor Oak whenever he gets them. Bulbasaur is incredibly strong, at least Ash's Bulbasaur is incredibly strong. And I think that's really cool and incredible. Now, this is for you game fans who have been playing the game since Pokemon Red and Yellow, like I have been. I'll tell you for a fact that Bulbasaur is actually technically the best starter in terms of usefulness for the early gyms. First off, you're going to be fighting Brock, who only has Rock-type Pokemon. Well, guess what? Rock-type Pokemon are weak to Grass Pokemon. And Misty, it's a Water-type trainer. I'm sorry, but you can't tell me that Water will beat out Grass, because it won't, because Grass will always beat out Water. What else is there to say about him? So they later categorized Bulbasaur as a poison type Pokemon, even though he is primarily a gas type Pokemon, or grass, I should say. He's also a trophy in Super Smash Bros, and I think that's wicked. I don't think that many Pokemon. I know there's a couple Pokemon in Smash that are as trophies, and of course in Pokemon, was it Melee or Brawl, where you could actually play as the Pokemon trainer and have like the three Pokemon that he uses, which I thought was insane. And in Pokemon Go, a Bulbasaur is one of the three initial choices for you to choose when you're as a starter Pokemon. But if you walk away from him and the other starters 4 times, you'll be able to catch a Pikachu. Bulbasaur, I think it's funny actually. They all have like a certain scale about them. Not really scale, but I mean they have a certain look about them. Each of the starters, well, all the Pokemon really. But I love that, you're using Azor at the end as if it's a dinosaur. And it does kind of look dinosaur-like. If you actually take a close look at like the prints and the models, I can very easily see him in a realistic situation being a dinosaur-type Pokemon that's been existing since the dawn of time. In Pokemon Black and White, you are unable to trade the innocent Bulbasaur in the global trading system unless you rename him. This was due to poorly tested language restrictions, which, that stuff kind of amazes me. Oh, if the friendship between a player and a Pikachu is strong enough in the Pokemon Yellow game, the player will receive a Bulbasaur from a character in Cerulean City. See, and I thought that wasn't possible, because like you even look at the starter Pokemon, which I always thought would be the easiest to catch as a kid for the starter Pokemon. But as it turns out, That's not the case. Like they're never around anywhere. The starters. The only starters you have, they honestly, I know that they are starters for that region, but based on their availability in the Pokemon game series, I'm sorry, but you can't tell me they aren't pseudo legendary in and of themselves. Bulbasaur is the first Pokemon, obviously, to appear in the listing numerically of the Kanto Pokedex. And it's also 231 of the Johto Pokedex, which really shows that the Pokemon in different genders, like different generations, can be in different areas, and I think that's wicked. We all remember 2016 when Pokemon Go came out. What a time that was. I was outside way more than I should be as a gamer. But that's not what I want to talk about because obviously he's in Pokemon Go. But Ireland, the Automobile Association or the AA warned users whether catching a Bulbasaur is worth a potential court appearance and a fine of up to €1,000. This was used to discourage people from playing Pokemon Go while they're driving. In the 2014 FIFA World Cup, Bulbasaur was selected as one of the 11 Pokemon characters used as mascots for their national team. In the anime version of Pokemon, a Bulbasaur is incorrectly taught Whirlwind, a skill the creature cannot learn. This seems to be trending with the anime series. And it's true, you ever notice that the anime series, there's like moves that the Pokemon do that they really shouldn't be able to do? I think it's awesome. I think it's really cool that the show does that, but you're gonna have the diehard fans. Anyways, guys, that is all the time that I have because this video is about to end. If you like the content, you want to see more 3D prints, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what Pokemon you want to see next. Alright, guys, have a good day.